6 major signs where you gonna say yes, my husband really dey responsible. 6 major signs where you go dey get to know say yes, your partner, person you and am dey together, they very very responsible. You know say most people today they marry irresponsible men, and those irresponsible men wey they marry affect many marriage. So these 6 signs, these 6 things, so I want to tell you today now to know say yes, if your husband they do all these things, yes, you gonna say yes, my husband really dey responsible. Number 1, taking responsibility of what he's supposed to do. Taking responsibility of the home. You know say many men dey wey be say they know they take responsibility of their home. Things wey they're supposed to take care of for their families, they know they take care of those things. Their children where they're supposed to they train in a good way. You go see many men go wake up, anything where their pikin want do, they go just allow me they do. Some men they will be say they know they take responsibility of their wife, they go just wake up, come out. They no go fit drop money for their wife, say make una take cook. Some men they will be say they go just wake up without doing anything, they go sit down for house, one make the woman go cater for them, come back. So if your husband they do all those things, you know that your husband is not responsible. So the second one is understanding. No matter anything you do for this life, make sure say your husband they understand you. You understand? No matter anything you do, make sure say your husband they understand you. No be say if you tell him anything, he no go want understand you, go start to shout the quarrel. So in anything where you do, try to make sure say yes, your husband really they understand you, because that understanding are the best thing. And before you go into any marriage, make sure say yes, you and the person when they married together don't really understand on herself. When I don't understand on her body language, the man they understand you, you they understand the woman. You understand? Don't be say at the end of the day when I go to get no unnecessary issue. At the end of the day when I go to cry, you go to cry to your family members, they call your brothers, they call your mama, they call your papa, they call you and solve issues. So understanding is the one of the best keys in marriage or relationship. Understanding. If your partner no they understand you, leave them. Number 3, respect. Number 3, respect. If you date anybody for this life now, for this stage where you date, and the person they respect you, leave that relationship, because if you end up for marriage, the thing go dey very toxic and hot. If your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife no they respect you, leave that relationship, leave that marriage. And most things where they kill most people be say just say because maybe you want enter relationship or you want marry. You go see man where they give you attitude, or woman where they give you attitude. You go see they force yourself into the person's life. They know they force love for this life. You know go ever feel force yourself into person body. At the end of the day, he go they disrespect you. He go they talk to you anyhow. He go they do you things where go they affect you. He go they do things where be say go they pain you well. Because no respect. If you talk 1, he go talk 20. If you talk 2, he go talk 300. So anybody, any man who no dey respect you, leave that relationship or that marriage. Number 4, communication. Number 4, communication. You know say for this life, as we dey now, you get many people be say they know they fit communicate with their partner. You go see man and woman, or boyfriend and girlfriend go dey, husband and wife then go dey, they no fit dey communicate. Communication is one of the most important keys. You understand? If you are communicating with your partner, at least una go dey know how una go dey do things, they talk things, support each other. That bond of communication, that bond of communication, the thing dey very important. So if you know they communicate, you know say yes, you're not going to anywhere. So in all you are doing in your any relationship, where be say you dey no communication, you and the man no they communicate, you and the girl no they communicate, just leave that marriage or leave the relationship. You understand? Everything I just get to tell you today. Anybody where you and they date, they marry, and when I know they feel they sit down like this, they talk, they get the affection, they communicate with one another, they communicate with each other, run. Because at the end of the day, now problem when they get. So number 5 is trust. You understand? Number 5 is trust. Any relationship where you be say your man no trust you, your woman no trust you, your boyfriend no trust you, your girlfriend no trust you, break up with that relationship, scatter that relationship, because you no go carry on go anywhere. Any relationship where you say if you move, your husband go tell you say you go knack. If you do this, your wife go tell you say you go knack. Leave that relationship. It no go take you to anywhere. Leave that relationship. Now me they tell you today. And if you no leave them, if you continue with that relationship where we say they no trust you, at the end of the day, now heartbreaking you go get. At the end of the day, now breaking of heart. Anything you see, just carry your head, carry them. Then go they torment you for any relationship where they no trust you, any marriage where they no trust you. Try make your husband trust you 100% before you get into any marriage. Try make your wife trust you before you enter into any marriage. If they no trust you, break up in that relationship. break up in that relationship, if this thing wey I dey tell you, if you go try am, e help you, come my comment section, come comment, tell me say yes, wetin I tell you dey useful. So last but not the least, number 6, support. Anything you dey do and your partner no dey support you, just leave that relationship, comot, because support is one of the most important thing wey be say e go help you. You understand? Support na one of the most important thing. Without support, you cannot move. Without that support, financial support, then nowhere where you dey go. No be only by financial wey be say if you support person, if you support person by other means, support your wife or your girlfriend, if any kind of business wey she wan do, try say you support her. Also with women, support your husband in any kind of business wey he wan do. You understand? Or support your boyfriend in any kind of business, anything wey you wan do wey be say na the growth of two of una wey go around. Any relationship wey you dey wey the both partner no dey support each other, or the boy or the girl or the man or the woman no dey support, leave that relationship, break up in that relationship, because tomorrow you cry had I known, and had I know na the last statement of a fool. Abeg, if this video dey very useful to you, press for the like and share button. Also follow my page for more updates. One love, Slim Daddy.